Okay, here we go. We're gonna check this the use of this new shotgun mic, and we're gonna go see our dogs over here. And here's one dog, and this here is Ghost. You want to say hi? Say hi, Ghost. Spirit. What's wrong, Spirit? Luna, you want to say hi? And what else would you like to say about that? Yeah. And then what happened after you were left by your parents? And were you left alone? Oh, it wasn't nice. Was it a difficult experience? It was a hard experience to be abandoned? And what happened when someone adopted you, right? Did they adopt you? Luna, what do you think about the new dog? You got a forever home now, okay? If you guys be friends and you don't eat the cat, you can stay here forever. Is that okay? You guys got a comfy little house with some hay. What a good dog. Luna, you're being very nice to watch her. Oh, look at Luna. Where did you find that? Well, that's an antenna part. Well, who's been eating the antenna? Have you been eating an antenna? I'm really wondering about this interview here because this interview is not going well.
It come right there.
Mr. Don't video camera, because my cup dry like ashes, yes? Hi, Joe!
Hey, how you doing, Vonda?
How are you?
Good.